Have you ever promised yourself, tomorrow, I'll wake up early. Tomorrow, I'll exercise. Tomorrow, my life will be different. But then, the alarm rings. You open one eye, and suddenly, 5 more minutes turn into 30 minutes. Sound familiar? Don't worry, you're definitely not alone. Today, we're talking about something that can quietly change your whole life. Your daily routine. Not those impossible routines you see online. Wake up at 4 a.m. Run 10 kilometers. Read 3 books. Drink a green smoothie. And somehow still smile before sunrise.
No, thank you. If I did all that before breakfast, I'd need another vacation just to recover.
Exactly. Today, we're keeping it real. We're talking about simple routines, tiny habits, things normal people can actually do. And the best part? You'll learn useful English naturally while listening. No boring lessons, just 2 friends having a fun conversation.
Hello, everyone. I'm Hannah.
And I'm David. Welcome to Mr. David Podcast. Grab your coffee, your tea, or maybe you're listening while driving or walking, wherever you are. We're really happy you're here. Let's begin. Hannah, can I tell you something embarrassing?
Oh, this already sounds interesting. Tell me.
This morning, I actually made my bed.
Wait, you made your bed? By yourself? Without someone reminding you?
Hey, don't sound so surprised.
I'm sorry. I just didn't expect that. So, how did you feel?
Honestly, like I had my whole life together. I stood there, looked at my bed, and thought, wow, I'm becoming a responsible adult.
Just because you made your bed once?
Every big success starts somewhere.
That's true. Sometimes, one small habit can make us feel really good. And that's today's message. You don't need a perfect life. You just need a few good habits. So, David, what happens when your alarm rings? Do you jump out of bed?
Jump? No way. First, I open one eye, then the other. Then I start talking to myself. Should I wake up? Maybe 5 more minutes. Actually, 10 sounds better.
Your bed is negotiating with you.
Exactly. And somehow, the bed always wins.
That happens to so many people. But here's a small English phrase you can use. Get out of bed. Example, I get out of bed at 7 o'clock. Very easy. Very natural.
I like that. Simple English is the best English.
When I finally wake up, I don't touch my phone immediately.
Really? Not even for 1 minute.
No. First, I drink a glass of water. Then I open the window. I take a deep breath. I look outside. Everything feels quiet.
That sounds peaceful. Meanwhile, I'm checking messages, emails, Instagram, the weather, football news, YouTube, everything.
David, your brain is already working before breakfast.
I know. Sometimes I feel tired, and my day hasn't even started yet.
That's actually very common. Too much information early in the morning can make your brain feel busy. Sometimes, a calm morning is better than a busy morning.
Speaking of mornings, can I ask you something?
Sure.
Do you always know what you're going to eat? Because I spend 10 minutes just standing in front of the refrigerator.
Thinking very hard?
Exactly. Eggs, toast, fruit, coffee, nothing, everything. It's the hardest decision of my day.
That happens because your brain is making lots of little choices. And today we're learning a useful expression, decision fatigue.
Decision fatigue? That sounds serious.
It simply means your brain gets tired after making too many decisions, even small ones. What to wear, what to eat, which video to watch, what message to reply to. Little by little, your brain loses energy.
Wow. So I'm not lazy. I'm just experiencing decision fatigue.
Exactly. And that's today's new English expression. Try saying it with us. Decision fatigue.
I already learned something today, and we haven't even finished breakfast yet.
Don't go anywhere. Because next, we're talking about why planning only 3 important tasks can make your whole day easier. And trust me, David has a very funny story about his never-ending to-do list.
Every morning, I write a to-do list. Sounds productive, right?
So far, yes.
The problem is, it never has 5 tasks, or even 10. Sometimes, it has 20.
20. David, are you planning your day? Or running a company?
That's exactly the problem. I look at the list, and suddenly, I'm already tired.
That's interesting. Many people think a longer list means they're more productive. But actually, sometimes it only creates stress.
Exactly. By lunchtime, I've finished 3 things, but I still see 17 waiting for me. Then I feel like I failed.
Here's a better idea. Choose only 3 important tasks.
Only 3? Really?
Yes. Ask yourself, if I only finish 3 things today, which 3 matter the most? Those become your priorities.
That actually sounds much easier.
And here's a useful English word. Priority. A priority is the most important thing. Example. Learning English is my priority this year.
I like that. Instead of trying to do everything, focus on what really matters. Can I confess something?
Oh, another confession? Go ahead.
Every Sunday night, I become extremely motivated.
I know where this is going.
I tell myself, tomorrow, I'm going to exercise. 45 minutes. Every morning. No excuses.
And how long does that amazing plan last?
2 days.
Only 2?
2 fantastic days. Then, Wednesday arrives. I'm busy. I wake up late. And I think, well, I can't do 45 minutes. So I'll do nothing.
That's something many people do. We believe everything has to be perfect. But here's the surprising part. Doing 5 minutes is much better than doing nothing.
Really?
Absolutely. A short walk, a few stretches, even dancing in your room. It still counts.
So, small progress is still progress.
Exactly. That's the secret. Don't break the habit. Just make it smaller.
Mornings are usually okay. But after lunch, everything becomes crazy.
Emails, messages, phone calls, meetings.
Exactly. Suddenly, everyone needs something.
Let me guess. You always say, yes,
How did you know?
because you're a nice person. But sometimes, nice people become very tired people.
That's true. I don't like disappointing others.
Neither do I. But there's an important English word today. Overcommit.
Overcommit?
It means you promise to do more than you actually have time for. Example, I overcommit this week. Now I'm busy every evening.
Wow. I think I overcommit a lot.
Most people do. And then they wonder why they're stressed.
But saying no feels rude.
You don't always have to say no. You can say, can I help you tomorrow? Or, I need a little more time.
That sounds much kinder.
Exactly. You're still helping, but you're also protecting your own time.
I like that. Sometimes, protecting your time is protecting your peace.
Beautifully said.
Quick question. How many coffees do you drink every day?
Usually 1. Sometimes 2.
Only 2? I'm already thinking about my 3rd.
David, coffee isn't a personality.
Are you sure? Because I feel emotionally connected to it.
That's funny. But sometimes, when we feel tired, our body doesn't need more coffee. It needs a break.
What kind of break?
Stand up, stretch, walk for 5 minutes, drink some water, look outside.
That actually sounds refreshing.
It is. Sometimes, 5 quiet minutes can give you more energy than another cup of coffee.
Let's practice today's new words. Ready?
Repeat after us.
Priority.
Excellent. Now, overcommit.
Overcommit.
Perfect. Now make your own sentence. Maybe, my family is my priority. Or, I overcommit this week. Speaking out loud is the fastest way to improve.
We're only getting started. Because next, we're talking about something almost everyone struggles with. How do you truly relax? After work? Okay, we've talked about work. But now, let's talk about something many people forget. How do you end your day? Because honestly, A good day doesn't only start well, it also ends well.
That's so true. Many people finish work, but their mind keeps working.
Exactly. I close my laptop, but my brain says, "Hey David, don't forget tomorrow's meeting. And what about that email? Oh, and you should probably worry about 10 more things."
Your brain works overtime.
Seriously, sometimes I'm sitting on my sofa, but mentally, I'm still in the office.
Can I tell you something that really helps me?
Please, I think a lot of people need this.
Before I finish work, I write down everything that's still in my mind.
Everything.
Yes, tomorrow's tasks, ideas, things I don't want to forget. Once they're on paper, my brain finally relaxes.
That's actually smart. It's like telling your brain, "Don't worry, I've saved everything."
Exactly. And then, I make myself a cup of tea. I turn off bright lights. Sometimes I read a book. Sometimes I just sit quietly.
That sounds so peaceful. Meanwhile, I'm lying on my sofa, watching one short video, then another, then another.
And suddenly, an hour disappears.
Exactly. I only wanted 5 minutes.
Can I ask you something?
Go ahead.
Where do you keep your phone at night?
Right beside my pillow.
Really?
Yes, it's the last thing I see before sleeping.
And probably the first thing you see in the morning.
You know me too well.
Here's a small challenge. Put your phone on the other side of the room.
That sounds impossible.
Why?
Because then I'd actually have to stand up.
Exactly. That's the point. Sometimes, making a bad habit a little harder makes a good habit much easier.
Wow, I've never thought about it like that. You know, people often think success comes from one big change.
But here's the surprising part. It usually doesn't. Success comes from tiny actions, done again and again.
Like making your bed,
Exactly. Or drinking water every morning,
taking a short walk,
reading one page.
learning 5 new English words.
Those little habits grow into big results.
There's another expression I really like.
Me too. Today's expression is second nature.
Second nature? What does that mean?
It means you've done something so many times that you don't even think about it anymore. It becomes automatic.
Like brushing your teeth.
Exactly. Or putting your keys in the same place every day.
Funny story. I didn't do that before. One morning, I spent 20 minutes looking for my keys.
Where were they?
Inside the refrigerator.
No way.
I was carrying groceries. And somehow, the keys went in, instead of the milk.
That's hilarious.
My life is full of educational mistakes.
Here's something really important. Sometimes, life interrupts your routine.
Oh yes, that happens all the time.
Maybe you travel. Maybe you get sick. Maybe you're just tired. That's okay.
My biggest mistake is this. If I miss one day, I tell myself, well, I'll start again next Monday.
Why Monday?
Because Monday feels official.
You don't need Monday. You only need the next opportunity. If you miss Tuesday, start again Wednesday.
That's much kinder.
Exactly. One difficult day doesn't destroy your progress.
Before we finish, let's review today's useful English.
Ready? Repeat after us. 1. Decision fatigue. Your brain feels tired after making too many decisions. Example: I have decision fatigue after work. 2. Priority. The most important thing. Example: learning English is my priority. 3. Overcommit. To promise more than you can actually do. Example: I overcommit this week. 4. Decompress. To slowly relax after a busy day. Example: I listen to music to decompress. 5. Second nature. Something becomes automatic. Example: reading every night has become second nature.
Let's improve some simple English. Instead of saying, "I'm tired," try saying, "I'm mentally tired after making so many decisions." Instead of, "I relax after work," say, "I take a short walk to decompress after work." Instead of, I say yes too much, say, I tend to overcommit. Instead of, I forgot my routine, say, one busy day interrupted my routine, but I'll start again tomorrow.
Before we say goodbye, we have one question for you. What's one small habit that has made your life better? Maybe drinking more water, reading before bed, walking after dinner, or practicing English every day. Tell us in the comments. We'd love to read your answers.
And remember, you don't need a perfect routine. You don't need a perfect life. You only need one small step. Today, because small habits create big changes. And every time you practice English, you're getting one step closer to speaking with confidence.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Mr. David Podcast, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English podcast.
We'll be back very soon with another fun conversation, more useful English, and more simple ways to help you speak like a native.
Until next time, keep smiling, keep speaking, keep learning, and remember, every word you practice today is building the confident English speaker you'll become tomorrow.
Thanks for listening to Mr. David Podcast. See you in the next episode.